Hello everybody. I'm on a camping mode. Ayan o, si Yoda. Ayan. So, andito kami ngayon sa aming site sa Eagle Creek. Ayan. If you wanna see, it's already like around 8 o'clock. So, ayan siya. Sun is about to set. 8 o'clock yan. And I have my fire pit. And the creek is just as low as it can be. Para naubusan na yata ng tubig. Charot lang. Diba? Di mauubusan yan, Diyos ko. Anyway, I'm hoping that you are having a good weekend. Just like I am. Hopefully. So, relax lang. And so far, it will be great. And so was yours. And ayan.